It's no secret that app development for business is a complex process. The reality is that nearly 9 out of 10 applications do not succeed due to reasons such as selecting an appropriate business model, technical shortcomings, budget limitations, or failing to meet user expectations. Hi, my name is Jane Bonder. I'm the mobile development lead at NIX with over 10 years of experience in software development. There is a lot that goes into creating a successful application, but adopting a user-oriented approach is the most impactful advice you can follow. By closely aligning with user priorities and selecting the right tech stack, you will get a solution that will boost your business and satisfy customers, providing on-target functionality and a satisfying user experience. First, look at their expertise and track record in delivering similar projects. Examining portfolios and client testimonials helps clarify technical proficiencies and their ability to implement complex solutions. Certifications and technology stack also matter. Your partner should adhere to leading industry standards and leverage contemporary approaches. If you are looking for an expert view of your future or existing product, you can benefit from NIX's consulting services. If you already have a mobile app but are struggling to reach your users, take advantage of our top-notch digital marketing services. If your growth is being halted by outdated legacy systems, we will gladly modernize your software. Additionally, as cutting-edge technologies like AI, AR, IoT, and blockchain go mainstream, NIX provides specialized services for effectively implementing them. We also build custom business apps and can help you attain a larger audience, drive customer satisfaction, and boost sales and revenue. Just take a look at our extensive portfolio. The NIX professional team of over 3,000 experts has successfully built and launched more than 1,000 custom mobile apps for business purposes. We have in-depth experience across different industries, including healthcare, pharmaceutical, banking, retail, and education. NIX is a certified partner with the largest industry leaders in cloud services and software development. Our comprehensive list of awards in app development serve as a proof of our dedication and expertise. For more information about our mobile development services, please visit our website by following the link in the description of the video or by scanning the QR code on the screen. We will be glad to discuss growth opportunities of your business. Thank you for watching and have a great day.